how to fix stick drift on an Xbox controller. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different methods you can use to fix stick drift on your Xbox controller without using any tools or having to take apart the controller. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So we're going to be doing some different movements on the actual sticks right here. So what I recommend doing is just kind of rotating them maybe for about a minute just to break up any dirt or gunk that is stuck down there in the stick. You can also switch directions or even do left and right and up and down and just kind of try to work out any dirt so that it moves and gets off the contacts so that it's no longer causing any issues there and sticking and drifting. So I recommend doing that for about a minute. You will see a difference. This has worked for me several times in fixing stick drift. Another thing you can do is kind of try to push down while you're doing that, and that'll help break it up. And another method I use for fixing stick drift is to either blow in the actual sticks. You can lift them up or push them down and blow in them to try to move that dirt around. Or you can get a can of cleaning duster and just spray it into the actual sticks right there. You can try pushing them down and getting so the air can get in there, or lifting them up, just trying different movements right there. And that should break up and fix the stick drift on your Xbox controller. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.